This salad has been in the fridge for 4 days and it still looks like day one. That's more than I can say for the $15 salads I used to buy. Today I'm making 3 that taste better for about $8 total. A creamy Asian miso, Mediterranean white bean, and a Mexican street corn salad. And I'm showing you the layering trick that keeps them crisp in the fridge for days. No oven, I promise. Now let's make them. The first one is my favorite, and it's all because of the dressing. Creamy, nutty, a little sweet. This is why the salad won't taste flat on day 3. The miso keeps working while it sits. Here's the whole card. Pause the screenshot, but the card won't save your salad. The order you layer it will. Here's where most people mess up jar salads. They layer them like regular salad. Greens wherever, dressing whenever. By Tuesday it's soup. Don't do that. Think of the jars as a ladder. Dressing on the bottom, then your hardest ingredients. Edamame sitting in the dressing like a dam. Coleslaw mixed green onions and spinach way up top where nothing wet can touch it. And the part almost nobody does. A folded paper towel on top of the greens before the lid goes on. It pulls the moisture out of the air in the jar. Salad 2 is the one that keeps you full until dinner. 2 kinds of beans, so it eats like a real meal instead of a snack. Same ladder as before, lemon dressing on the bottom. Cannellini beans and chickpeas go straight into it, and they actually get better as they marinate down there. Spinach up top, dry and protected. Vegan feta and parsley last. This one tastes like something you order in a tiny cafe overlooking the Mediterranean. Okay, if you love street corn, this jar is that, but it's lunch. The dressing is doing an impression of elote. Vegan mayo, fresh lime juice, chili powder, smoked paprika, cumin, garlic, and salt and pepper. The smoked paprika is the whole trick here. It's what makes corn taste fire roasted. Colorful, crunchy, creamy, and smoky. Everything a summer salad is supposed to be. Look at these. At the restaurant, salads like this run $12 to $15 each. That's over $45 for 3. All 3 of these cost $8.04. So that's the promise kept. 3 jars, $8 total, and they stay crisp for days. You can find all 3 recipes on my website, thedivinechef.com. Drop a chopstick, an olive, or a corn emoji to let me know which jar you're making first. I read all the comments. And if you like this no-cook lunch, go watch my pocket soup jar recipe next. It comes out to about $1 a serving. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.